Welcome to MICHQUEST, where artificial intelligence meets world-class mentorship to empower entrepreneurs across Genesee County. At MICHQUEST, we offer a comprehensive ecosystem designed to accelerate your business growth. Our services range from cutting-edge AI training and powerful business development programs to personalized mentorship and essential funding support. The real magic at MICHQUEST happens at the intersection of AI technology and expert mentorship. By combining state-of-the-art AI tools with personalized guidance, we help you make smarter decisions, streamline operations, and unlock new growth opportunities. Whether you're refining your strategy or scaling your startup, our integrated approach ensures you're fully equipped to succeed in today's competitive market. The impact of AI integration is already transforming businesses. Companies working with MICHQUEST are streamlining operations, making data-driven decisions, and gaining a competitive edge in the evolving market. By automating routine tasks, businesses reduce operational costs and increase productivity. AI-powered analytics help entrepreneurs make informed decisions, identify trends, and forecast industry shifts with greater accuracy. Our partners report significant improvements in efficiency, customer engagement, and overall business performance. Beyond numbers, we've seen inspiring success stories. Local startups scaling faster, family-owned businesses modernizing their operations, and entrepreneurs breaking into new markets with AI-driven insights. These transformations highlight MICHQUEST's role in building a thriving, technology-driven business community. Our goal at MICHQUEST is to create real change. We're empowering businesses to harness AI not just as a tool, but as a foundation for success in an increasingly digital world. With MICHQUEST, you're not just accessing a service. You're joining a thriving community built on innovation and collaboration. Experience data-driven insights, unparalleled mentorship, and the operational efficiency needed to scale your business to new heights. Are you ready to transform your business with the power of AI and expert mentorship? Visit us at MICHQUEST.com and join our community on social media for the latest updates, insights, and success stories. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video to join the MICHQUEST revolution in Genesee County.